The organic red spring wheat bread is made with 50% freshly ground whole wheat. It's also at 100% hydration. These are fun loaves to bake. They're very much like a ciabatta bread. Okay, I've got 400 grams of bread flour in here and 400 grams of 93% extraction organic hard red wheat. I'm going to be mixing them together. I'll be adding 800 grams of water. Then we'll let it do an autolyse for about an hour. And then it'll be easy enough to add the salt because the dough will be so wet. Okay, we've got 800 grams of water and 800 grams of mixed flour. We'll mix this all together and then we'll let it do an autolyse. This is a nice wet autolyse. We're going to be soaking that flour really well. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera down and get in there with my hands, but it'll be a rough, shaggy dough that is kind of wet at 100% hydration. That's feeling pretty good. This is what 100% hydration looks like right after you mix it. This is kind of what your sourdough starter looks like. It doesn't have any gluten bonding yet because we just mixed it. So I'll let this autolyse for an hour, then we'll come back and add the salt and the starter. So I'll put a lid on this and we'll let this go ahead and autolyse. And then I'll be back to add the starter and salt.